Okay guys, so as you can see, there's a lot of things going on. And you see the gold, and you see the cells popping up with different colors in them. See that? Sorry that I can't get you the whole thing, because there's a lot of glare because it's wet. And it just doesn't work. Can only do really close-ups without the glare in it. Okay guys, see you later. Now, because I have a lot of drip off, I want to see if I can get something on paper that maybe it would look really beautiful in a pendant because of the shimmering of these paints. So we're gonna put that on here. Clean that off a little bit because I'd like to keep the back a little bit clean. And put that on. A little bit of green. And then, oops, swipe it. Taking out a new palette knife for that. Not sure if that's going to be pretty. Yeah, not really. I'm not too fond of this, but you know, because I said when it dries the glitter will come out, I think I'll just keep this just to see what happens when it dries. Now what I'm going to do is just add the blues and the blue greens to see what happens when we do this. And of course a little bit of gold. There it is. I'll get you guys in a little close. Sorry guys, I lost you there, but I wanted to, oh, that is kind of pretty all by itself, but I'm gonna give it a little swipe. Ooh, that is kind of pretty. Let's see what happens when we torch this. Ooh. Nope, that is too bad, because I was expecting it to really do some serious selling. Oh, you can't see what I'm seeing. But that's too bad because that was really pretty. Let's do that again. A little bit more of that gold on there. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, not really coming through. See that? Not really coming through, and that's because there's no silicone in that gold, so I'm gonna make a little with silicone in it. Let's stir it up. Do this again. Okay, turn it around. Now there's silicone in there. Not behaving like I thought it would behave. They're not really beautifully defined, so I'm going to skip that. That we won't keep. We're going to do it a little bit differently now because I still have this paint, I'm going to put the dark blue in there, stir it up a little. Oops. Then put in a little bit of silicone. And now we're going to do that again. We still had some of this. We'll see if that works. And then we'll put that up there. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, not sure how this is going to work, but this is all iridescent and, you know, interference and whatever. So we're going to keep this one just to see how it dries, and I can show you that tomorrow in the sun if it really turns out to be really pretty. Now for the next one, what I'd really like is some sort of a balloon thing. Let's see if we can do that. Put some of that blue in the middle. Gold with the silicone. Then, which color? This one. That one. The darker green one. I am missing a little bit of white. So I have everything pre-mixed. There you go. And we're going to press the balloon in it like that. Ooh, that is so pretty. Not feeling it again, guys. Not really feeling it. Although it is a nice little pattern, but I just thought it would be different. You know, when you have that, you shouldn't let it discourage you. You know, just put your focus on something else. That's better than, you know, getting really upset about that it's not working for you. Okay. Then I'm gonna, oh boy, I don't have enough room on this table. Everything's falling apart. So, let's see what happens when we do this. No. Nope, not interesting at all, but we'll keep it. We'll see what happens. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you go, and I'm gonna post these, and then tomorrow is the next day. I made a really long video, 45 minutes of stuff that inspires me, and there was no sound, so that was a big letdown, but I'm gonna try and fix that. So see you all later. Love you all to pieces. Bye bye. Okay guys, I just want to show one more because I just did that offline and it worked out really nice. So I'm going to try and do that again. All I need is a little bit more gold with the silicone in it. Where are you, silicone? We'll use this one. So I'm going to mix that up. There you go. Now, what I did was, I'm going to try and make it a little bit bigger though. I put some color in a row. Like that. And of course a little bit of this color to make it just a little bit more interesting. And a little bit of this if I had a stick. I'll have to use another color stick. Okay, then with the this is the gold without the silicone. I'm going to put that on there, and then I'm going to put, no, you're not really in focus there, are you guys? There you are. Then I'm going to put the gold with the silicone on top, like that. Then I want to swipe it with, I think I'll just swipe it with this. So I'm going to cut some off. There it is. Okay. Now, for jewelry, all you really need is a couple of parts, so not the whole thing. So I'm going to leave it exactly like this because I'm going to give you a close-up how pretty it is. If you can see it, see that? The gold has made these awesome lacing effect, and then you get the colors that shine through. That really looks like mother of pearl. So that's what we're gonna let dry, and then we'll see how the colors are gonna start to make the nice little glitter stuff. I'm gonna do one more, guys, just one. Yes, because it's a waste to throw this away, so I just might as well use it. That's the last of this color. Then we're going to put in some of this. A little bit of this green. Then the purpley color. Put that in between here. Then the gold without the silicone. And then the gold with the silicone. Now this is going to be the swipe color, so that we're going to put that on a little bit thicker than the other ones. And we're going to clean off this little strip of paper, and then we're going to give it a nice little swipe. I think that's going to be really nice for a pendant. So I just might want to see if I can get something out of this bit. Where did I cut it? I think down there. So I'm going to do this one. Nah, there's not much color underneath. Nope. So we'll just leave this like that to dry. I have two, that's more than enough. So it's kind of pretty. Okay guys, laters.